Hey guys, how's it going? How to create AI avatars in Synthesia for brand videos. Go ahead and click the browser at the bottom right. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and click create free video, right? And now what we're gonna do, we can just go ahead and start typing our script, right? In order to generate a avatar. And you're gonna select from multiple templates provided by Synthesia, right? So let's say for example, I'm gonna select this avatar, right? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my script or edit my script. So I'm gonna go use ChatGPT in order to create example script without scenes, only only flat out script, short, right? And we're gonna just go ahead and copy this script and then add it, or you already have one, but if you want to add your own script, you can just go ahead, right, and paste your own script. So in my case, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna let that one out, and then of course I'm gonna add my name and my email. And it is 3gmail.com, right? How did you hear about Synthesia? And then confirm that you read the policy, and then go ahead and click generate free video. And of course you're gonna wait for a few moments, and you're gonna be able to see your video is ready, right? And if you want to download it, you can just record the screen recording. If you want to basically use it for free or download it for free, you can just screen record that video and then gonna be able to share it across social media. All right, so turn on the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and experiment with Synthesia's multilingual support to create videos for global audiences effortlessly. So see you in the next one.